Hi guys, this is Eric, and today I'm going to be presenting NexPay Wallet Agent. About the team, we are a group of 3 friends who met through Rare Skills Solidity Advanced Bootcamp, and we decided to do something with the knowledge we acquired, and hopefully we build something that will bring more adoption to Web3. Crypto right now has a UX problem, not a liquidity, not a scalability, a human problem. Imagine having to interact for the first time with a wallet, having to handle your own private keys, where if you leak them, you lose all the funds on the wallet. Imagine having to sign a data payload in hexadecimals, where if you sign either the wrong function or you approve a malicious contract or so many things can go wrong, you lose your money. Or even imagine you get address poisoned and you make a transaction to a wallet address that looks super similar, but it's not the one you intend to send the money to. Transactions on the blockchain are irreversible and your funds are gone. So we want to make it as easy as possible for first time users in crypto to feel like they are really not even interacting with crypto, they are talking to a human. So now I'm going to quickly demo NexPay. You can log in with your email if you want. You just go ahead and you will get an email and you can already start interacting. The idea in the future is to be able to have a paymaster where, corporations or whatever can directly pay for your gas. So you start interacting directly, doing whatever you want without even knowing you're interacting with crypto. I'm just checking. Like this is one of the ways we can interact with our wallet. And okay, I'm going to be interacting with the MetaMask, which already has funds. First of all, we have to whitelist our contacts. For instance, on this case, I'm going to add my friend Abhinab here so that I can safely send him funds. And for instance, if I want to send Abhinab 0.00, then this goes directly. Like I fulfill all the data parameters required in order to execute the transaction. So this is going to go through. Like at the end of the day, it will showcase me the information of my intent, and I will confirm it from MetaMask this way. But now imagine this we can check like transaction on chain. Now imagine we want to now I can say Eric on Sepolia, because if we do not have all the data parameters, then directly we have guardrails that are going to stop us from, instead of executing a wrong transaction, we're going to be stopped, which is safer for the user. So yeah, this also went through. We can see on the it's pending, but the other one is still pending. Yeah, then we'll check at the end. And now one of our for the MVP, we only have like certain basic functions, and one of these is like swap 0.01 ETH to USDC on Sepolia. This directly interacts with the Uniswap verified router contract. Okay, here it does so that we don't get wrecked, like for the slippage protection. I forgot. And then it's going to tell us we're going to receive this amount of USDC. The whole idea is to make it as easy and as safe as possible for the user. Like it should be like talking to a friend, which in fact reminds me, I'm going to show you now. Send 0.1 ETH to Eric. Okay, it's not working as intended, but yeah, I should put like this, and then we will have it working. At the end of the day, the user is going to confirm every action. It will have a human readable summaries instead of reading hex code that nobody understands, maybe, especially if you're a crypto noob. You can always set a slippage protection, which you might forget, but Uniswap frontend also does a great job at that. And you only interact with pre-approved contracts. So we are taking care that you do not interact with a malicious contract by mistake. Crypto adoption doesn't fail because people don't want it. It fails because it's too hard. We believe the next billion users won't learn wallets. Wallets will learn them. This is how crypto become invisible. Crypto should be as easy as talking to a friend.